Glass Simple presents how to install a tubular pull handle. To begin the installation of the new handle, first remove it from the box. Using the Allen wrench that is provided, loosen the two Allen set screws. Now slide the handle apart. This will expose two Phillips head screws. Using a number 3 Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws along with all of the plastic and metal washers. You're now ready to install the pull handle onto the glass door. Slide these components onto the screw in the following order. Insert the screw with the components through the top hole of the glass from the exterior of the shower. On the other side of the glass, slide the remaining components and screw it, but do not tighten completely to facilitate the installation of the second group. Slide the tube to the side to place the metal and plastic washer. Return it to its position. Insert the second screw with the components through the bottom hole and screw it completely. Now fully tighten the top screw. Now you're ready to install the exterior side of the handle. Starting with the top hole, tighten the Allen screw by hand. Repeat this step with the bottom screw. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your frameless shower door handle. Glass Simple, simplifying the glass hardware industry.